Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can get locked out from your Twitch account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Twitch application on your device, then get logged in into your account. Now here at the following page of your Twitch account, you need to tap on the profile icon on top left of your corner, that is in blue icon. Tap on it. Inside account, you can see the option of account settings. You tap on it. Now here you need to scroll to the very end. There you can see the option of logout. As we are going to get sign out from our Twitch account, you need to tap in logout. Here currently logged in as Nancy Abbott, log out. Yes, you need to confirm it. You tap in logout. Once you tap on it, you will get directly logged out from your Twitch account. As you can see, you will be redirected to the very first page of your Twitch. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get sign out from your Twitch account on your mobile device. Thank you.